Well, hello everyone. Today I have an Asus laptop and let's see what's inside and how we can upgrade it. Starting with removing the screws, and I'm using T5 bit. This model has two hidden screws under this plastics. These screws are Phillips. Here we go. Okay, we have a slot to upgrade the RAM and a place for installing a new hard drive. First, I want to check thermal compound condition, and yes, it's completely dry. I decide to replace it with fresh thermal compound. As you can see, it has dried and needs to be replaced. I have to clean before applying fresh thermal compound. This chip is Intel 8th Gen i7 processor, and this one is NVIDIA GeForce MX 130. Okay, I applied perfect amount of thermal paste and time to reinstall heatsink. This laptop has 8 GB onboard RAM, and I have a free slot. And let's add another 8 GB module to the system. Also, we have a 2.5-inch free disk bracket, and I got a 1 TB WD disk, and I want to install it alongside a stock 256 GB M2 SSD. Well, our laptop upgrade was done. Let's reassemble the laptop to test it.